Ludacris and Kevin Hart vacation with their wives on a mega yacht.
Another heartfelt message. Let me tell y'all something. Many of you know that I have an animated series called Karma's World that was inspired by my oldest daughter, Karma. Currently seasons 1 through 4 streaming on Netflix, but I've been seeing all the comments and all the questions asking when are more episodes coming. And I'm incredibly proud to announce to you that Karma's World is back. That's right. On June 5th, this Friday, we are presenting the never-before-seen special. It's called Jazz for Justice, and it's exclusively on the Karma's World YouTube channel. So we need everyone to tune in and watch, help us spread the word, because this show, it was created to inspire young girls. You know?
I can't wait for Karma's World.
I can't wait for Karma's World either. We need the entire family, all the fans. We want to thank you. We love you for your support. June 5th, this Friday, let's make it a family fun night. All right? The return of Karma's World, Jazz for Justice, exclusively on YouTube. Love.
Bye.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Man, you know, I'm a die-hard Philadelphia fan. In Philly, we are fans. We are real hardcore fans. But the emotions from New York fans are bar none, man. I mean, these motherfuckers are crying. Like every New York fan, real tears, real emotions. You got 60-year-old men passing out, 75-year-old men holding their hearts. You got people turning red. These old white men were turning red. Emotions like you've never seen before. Long overdue, man. It's to see. It's to see. But you motherfuckers are. You are die hard. Shout out to Spike Lee, man. Give Spike a ring. Spike deserves a championship ring, and I'm saying it here. Give Spike a New York Knicks championship ring. That motherfucker has been there for 76 years. In the front row. Spike has spent $17 million on New York Knicks tickets. Give Spike a ring, man. Congrats, Spike. Yeah, let's go, Spike.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.